Sivan. This is Ranjit Srivastava before you all. The second teacher, honorable judges, my loving mom, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear friends. I am very happy and fortunate also because I have been given a chance as well as this big stage for a little man to say something before you all, intellectual people and also the fertile brain. Now friends, we all gather here for the annual celebration of Rebel. It means the mega seminar of Rebel. Very first, I would like to thank you all from my side and also from Rebel side that you have given your precious time for the celebration of Rebel. Thank you very much. And now friends, I am going to start my topic, and my topic is related with us. It means my topic is Bihar of my dream. You know, friends, we all are Bihari, and of course, I am so excited to say something before you all about Bihar. So excited, you can see me, I'm so excited. I think you all are also excited. Can I see your excitement with your clapping? Oh, thank you very much. This indicates that you are also so excited. Friends, what is dream? In my dream, what is going to be happen in Bihar? You know what is dream? Dream is the creation of mind. You know, without dream, we can't do anything in our future. And in my conception, in my dream, how the Bihar will be of my dream, then I'm going to show you a shadow of my Bihar in my dream. You know, friends, in Bihar, you can see the pathetic condition of education. But very first, in my dream, the condition of this education must be improved. It means there must be a college, university, and good quality university, and also the good quality of teacher in Bihar also. If you all know, and we all also know that without education we can't do anything. And if the education quality of Bihar is improved, then we must, you know, education makes us man perfect. And if we, the citizens, are perfect, then our Bihar state will be perfect. And if our Bihar will be perfect, then certainly, obviously, our India will be improved or perfect. So what I mean, very first, the condition of education must be improved. And after that, we all know that India lives in villages. The senior condition is also with our Bihar. Bihar is also lives in villages. Villages, what you can say, is important. You know, friends, you can see the pathetic condition of life. Just we will get just hardly 2 hours or 3 hours electricity. But you know, in this modern era, how the electricity is important for us. Without electricity, we can't do anything. We can't run any machine, machinery, any company, any factory can't run. So that is the main factor. So many other corporate world people or personalities are not born to establish the companies and so many things in Bihar. That is the main factor. We need to improve the condition of electricity in our Bihar. And in my dream, there must be a 20 hours or 22 hours electricity in my dream. And after that, you know, friends, what are the lacks? What are the main conditions behind our Bihar is not improving? What are the main factors? Very first, I would like to say 2 lines in Hindi that what are the main factors? What are the main factors that like to show in 2 lines that हम देखते ही रहे कि अब भगवान उतरेंगे हमारे आंगन में और हमने कहा चांस लिया हम देखते रहे. This is the main condition with us. But we need to take care of everything. If we are aware about everything, definitely my Bihar, our Bihar. And it's my firm belief that one generation of our Bihar is the topmost state of the India. And after that, the people concerned about Bihar, the thinking about Bihar, the people thinking about Bihar must be changed and will be changed. And in my conception, after in my dream, the people think or people concerned about Bihar like B stands for brilliant, I stands for intelligent, and A stands for hardworking, A stands for all-rounder, R stands for respectful, and I stand for innocent. And with these 3 words, I would like to wrap up my work. But last but not least, I would like to say to you all that thank you very much. Once again, thank you very much for getting us, get out here and say, if I were here, the whole school is goes to you all intellectual people. Because without your connection, without your cooperation, I cannot do anything. So, well, thank you very much for